Hello traders, it's me Krasimir Panayotov and we are back in the YouTube channel with another Forex weekly analysis. In this weekly Forex analysis video I will share with you some of my previous week's trades and we will think about what's coming on in the future on the Forex market. We'll check some of the most traded pairs and some secondary pairs which I would love to share with you. Now this is the weekly analysis, guys, so if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button so you can get all the next future videos, and if you're already member of the Rich Spirit YouTube channel, I wish you a successful week and happy trading. Let's get started and let's get this money, because this is what we came here to do. Peace. It's a magnificent day today and we are about to lose control over this weekly analysis. So what we are about to do now is we will open the EURUSD chart, the daily chart, and see what the price is doing while all the people getting money. So as you can see, guys, here is something very beautiful. It's a nice double top pattern which recently got broken. So what we can expect on this pair? Personally, I expect some sort of pullback to retest these resistances right here, and then maybe another continuation probably to these beautiful zones right here. This is what I expect from the market. Now we don't need to predict the market, we have to make some scenarios. So what if we don't see this pullback? What if the price just rally to the downside? Then if the case is like this, then we're moving definitely at least to this high over here, or even a little bit lower where the support starts getting stronger. And this is pretty possible, guys. Now let's make this trend line. Well, you can see that we already have some support by the trend line, so the pullback I'm talking about is pretty possible. Let's see another scenario. What if the price starts consolidating here for a while and suddenly breaks above? Then we have a beautiful resistance right here. You see all these highs, all these lows here, and another highs. That is a beautiful zone. So you have to play the market according to what is showing you. Let's see also the GBP USD and what's going on there. We have the daily chart right here. So I told you guys about this wedge pattern or this flag, and if it breaks bullish, then we are going to continue the trend. But in this overbought market, it happened what was most likely to happen: the market to reverse, because the GBP economy is now facing some inner problems and the US dollar got some strength. We had this bearish breakout, and as I said in the previous video, we expected a move to this previous support area. Why support? Because we have these previous highs which mark the area as a support and resistance zone. And what we have observed, that the price really respected this area and is now pulling back to the previous resistance. This is cool. If the market continue to pull us back, then we can maybe test this downtrend, and from there we to look for another bearish moves. That's it, and this is correlating with the Euro USD analysis. Now let's check out also some other pairs. Let's say USDCAD. I don't trade this pair, but we better to observe this. So you see the last 2 days where the USD strength get up. We also have this beautiful trend going on. Okay, let's draw it something like this in the middle. So we're currently in a nice support and resistance level right here. We have another one right here. Let's first see where this goes. Okay, that's fine. This is your support area, and we will see if on Monday and Tuesday the price will respect the support area or will break lower. That is also possible. Now let's get back and see what we have. Okay, we had a long-term downtrend and some sort of recovery. Also, you can see that here we started making this ascending triangle, or this can be even some sort of symmetrical triangle. So we wait for a breakout above this area here to enter a long trade. Also, sometimes what I do is I buy directly from the support area. So you can switch to the 1 hour chart and wait for some beautiful bullish engulfing candle here, some strong big ass candle like this one here, or maybe something like these two candles, a combination of candles. This is pretty cool example of a nice bullish candle, because you have the downtrend and suddenly a long ass bullish candle that says that a lot of buyers have joined the market, and you see then we have a rally to the upside, some flag correction, and then another bullish move. Okay, let's see also USDJPY. Wow, and that's a nice bullish move as well. As you can see, the market is currently correcting the price. So I wanted to see the Fibonacci levels. Here we go from the last impulse. So this zone is pretty attractive to me. This is actually the 60%. If we reverse the Fibonacci, you will see that it's exactly the 61% zone area. So let's say this is a nice buy area, and you can observe for bullish signals to enter long. Or if you believe that the price will reverse, then you need to wait the breakout of this support. Let's delete everything. Let's close this chart because I'm not trading this pair. Let's see New Zealand USD. Okay, we have a strong bearish momentum and the correction to the resistance. So this may result in another bearish move or a pullback to the upper side of the channel. That's also possible. Now let's guys switch quickly to the gold, because it's very interesting what is happening here. This is the 4-hour chart, and you can see this bullish engulfing candle which I told you about recently on USDCAD, and this is some serious bullish sign, guys. I'm still in a long trade here, and I have, I believe, one more trade on the other account on gold. So we are currently in a downtrend. This is a very important support area, so we may tap later to that zone if the price continue go bearish. Here would be a nice level for the buyers to join in, but very often the price does whatever she wants, and you see very strong bullish power here. So if we break this downtrend, and it seems like we are already breaking it, we may see another bullish move to the upside, probably to these highs over here, or even to the previous daily resistance area. And that's it for this market, guys. Let's mark back some zones. We have the zone right here, very important area. Okay, and this is the most important zones. Let's see, let's mark also this one, significant zone. Okay, and that's it for this market. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool market. Also, I can see that. Okay, let's leave this market like this. I told you I'm more bullish on this pair because of this strong bullish move. So let's see New Zealand CAD, and this is the daily chart. As you can see, the price reversed and reached the support of the trend line. Now I told you guys about a sell trade starting from this resistance, and I caught it to this level right here, which is already a support area from the previous consolidation. So I took profit somewhere here, and the price even went lower. I could let this trade run, but it was enough for me. I wanted to back some pips, you know, put them in my pocket. So what about this chart? Now I believe here the price will find some support, or it will go test this lows over here and then find the support. And this is very interesting move, guys, because after such a long downtrend we usually see a very nice reversals, and this is a nice opportunity. I believe that New Zealand will go up against CAD because CAD is very correlated with the oil, and this is the chart of the oil. As you can see, the price have reached previous resistance area, previous ultimate high, and it's now in resistance. So we have a chance from here the price to start dropping. If that happens, the CAD should also start going down. Now I will share with you guys one another trade which I took on New Zealand JPY. So you see this flag pattern going on after a long-term bullish trend. So if the flag pattern is usually a continuational pattern, then we expect to see after the breakout some correction and then another bullish move. As you can see, the first bullish attempt didn't work out, so we need a second retest of the flag pattern and of the previous support area. So from here I started buying, and I hope that I will see the price going up to this previous resistance area, or even the price can go much higher if it starts breaking this resistance. So it's currently a cool trade. You see again the bullish engulfing candle and still an opportunity to enter the market. Now the price may start pulling back, creating some head and shoulders pattern and start shooting up higher, or it can one more time test the support area, make some sort of double bottom and then again go up. This is also a possible scenario. What else we should see? The US 30. If we see the daily chart, there is something which I hoped to happen, and here we go. So look at this bullish trend and then this head and shoulders pattern. Let me draw it for you. Here is your head and the shoulders. So that's it, that's the head and shoulders I'm talking to you about, guys, and this is what I have expected to happen. To go bearish after these head and shoulders, we really need to break this support area, and as you can see, the last Friday this didn't happen, but we have seen a reversal, which by the way can make some more sellers join the market and can do the work. So we have a sell to the downside, and I actually started selling somewhere here where was the previous mini resistance area. This is just an idea which I'm sharing with you. I think maybe I made some pips to the downside, but I started selling the pair somewhere here at the correction. Why? Because we have strong impulse to the downside and a very tiny moves to the upside, like the price was just correcting to the upside. I went to the 1 hour. Here is the bullish engulfing candle which says enter this bullish trend and a potential opportunity to the downside. I took profit somewhere here, but maybe I had to leave the price do what it does to get some more pips. It's never mind. And that's it for this analysis, guys. I don't wanna say no more. If you want to check some special pair for the next video, guys, just write this in the comment section. I'll do everything best. We have the EURUSD, which is going in a pretty nasty consolidation, so you have nothing to do here. Expect some maybe 15 5-minute chart moves, which by the way is interesting. I like how the price spikes on this pair. And that's it for these markets, guys. See you in the next videos. Peace and get this money. Be disciplined. That's the key for the long-term success. Peace. I love you.